Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to trade derivatives on Crypto.com. Trading derivatives can be a great way to speculate on the price movement of cryptocurrencies. But it requires a good understanding of the underlying concepts and risks involved. First, you need to create an account on Crypto.com and complete the verification process. Once your account is verified, you can deposit funds into your account using a variety of payment methods, including cryptocurrencies, credit cards, and bank transfers. Next, navigate to the derivatives trading platform on Crypto.com. This platform allows you to trade a variety of derivatives, including perpetual swaps, futures, and options. Perpetual swaps are a type of derivative that allows you to trade with up to 100 times leverage, while futures and options give you the right to buy or sell a cryptocurrency at a specified price on a specific date. To place a trade, select the derivative you want to trade and choose your leverage. Leverage allows you to control a larger position with a smaller amount of capital, but it also increases your potential losses. Set your entry price, stop loss, and take profit levels, and then confirm your trade. It is essential to understand the risks involved in trading derivatives, including liquidation, margin calls, and market volatility. To manage these risks, use proper risk management techniques, such as setting stop losses and position sizing. Best practices for trading derivatives on Crypto.com include starting with a demo account to practice trading, using proper risk management techniques, and staying up to date with market news and trends. It is also essential to have a solid understanding of the underlying assets and the derivatives market. In conclusion, trading derivatives on Crypto.com can be a great way to speculate on the price movement of cryptocurrencies, but it requires a good understanding of the underlying concepts and risks involved. By following the steps outlined in this guide and using proper risk management techniques, you can trade derivatives with confidence and achieve your financial goals.